Okay, in this video I'm going to make a Kohlrosing knife. Okay, so in this video, I've been looking at making a Kohlrosing knife. I've looked at buying them, but they're a bit too expensive. I couldn't find any available that were made in this country. So I looked and I've got some high-speed steel left. I've got quite a few pieces actually from when I was making some wood turning tools for myself. So it's kind of like a scraper, a little 3-point tool. I use this one for carving as well, and a little pointed tool there. And actually, I haven't tempered the steel in them at all, and they've been absolutely fine. So I'm thinking kind of for what Kohlrosing is, which is basically scoring in the top of the wood, and then you put a pigment in and then burnish it. So I'm thinking that a little bit of 6mm or 8mm high-speed steel would be perfect for that. So what I'm going to do first of all is grind it to roughly the kind of angle I'm thinking of, and then I'm going to put a 40-degree bevel on it. I've read somewhere that about 40 degrees wants to be a little bit wider than a carving knife, and it's perfect then for opening up the fibres and letting you put in the pigment. Okay, so dead easy build. The angle's at 40 degrees roughly, and about 50 degrees going backwards that way. Just a real simple. I can see there's lots of different handles, shapes and styles for these, but I saw that they were mainly used like a pen, so I've just kept it nice and simple. Cylinder, bit of sycamore with a brass ferrule there, and literally I've left the shaft a little bit longer so I can hold that, or I can hold the handle if I want to, and I can hopefully do some kind of Kohlrosing with that now as it is, and there's plenty of space left there if I need to sharpen it and things like that as well. So yeah, dead simple build. It took me a little bit of time to make, but I'm really pleased with it. If you like this video, I make loads of stuff and I'm going to try and film it all. Please like and subscribe. I'm always doing something random. Get an idea in my head and I've just got to do it. So, and I'd love to hear what you'd like to see me build or to do. Thanks for watching.